wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Oh, hi kids from A to Z, from east to west. I'm Hannah, and welcome back to Dream Again. I'm trying to make this rainbow appear, but it's like really hard to do. Kids, can you help me? I'm trying to shine it on this prism here, but I don't see a rainbow. I have no idea how they are formed. I guess it's time to ask Mrs. Wigglesworth.
Rainbows are formed when light shines through water, like when the sun shines through the rain. This light is bent and reflected like a reflection in a mirror, and this causes all of the amazing colours that you see. Rainbows normally appear from the rain, but they can happen wherever light is being bent inside of water droplets. Rainbows can be seen in mist, fog, spray, and dew. Did you know that rainbows are made up of all 7 colours that come from light? These colours are red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. A great way to remember those colours is to think of the acronym which seems like a man's name. Roy G. Biv. Now, you might ask, do we all see the same rainbow? Actually, what makes the rainbow so special is that no 2 people see the same exact thing, since it all depends on how the light is being bent and reflected back to you. So, everyone sees something different. Now, you might also ask, where is the end of the rainbow? Well, actually, there is no end to a rainbow. Even though they look like an arch to us, or an upside down letter U, rainbows are actually full circles. We only see some of the circle because we usually view the rainbow from the ground. Now, do you want to make your own rainbow? No problem. All you need is the sun and a water hose and an adult's permission, of course. You need to stand with your back against the sun, so you are facing away from it. Grab your garden hose. Those with big nozzles on the ends usually work the best. And turn on the water. Now, put your other hand straight up in the air. Start spraying the water about halfway between the ground and your other hand, which is straight up in the air. You should see a mini rainbow right in your own backyard.
Wow, that was very interesting. I guess I need to go outside to make a rainbow. But if I look outside, there's no sun. We'll just have to wait. So, in the meantime, let's check in to see what Noah and Olivia are up to.
Hi, kids!
Hi, kids, we're back again, and
Wow.
my rainbow's better,
I think my rainbow's
faster,
better.
and
Look,
you see the clouds,
I
and
didn't
all
like
the colors, and George and
Look at my clouds. My clouds are so fluffy. My clouds are the fluffiest clouds ever. And then I also have, look, I have a little sun, and in front I have a flower. That's right. I have a rainbow, clouds, a sun, and a flower. In the same time, you have just a rainbow and clouds. And my dinner looks so pretty. I love it.
But mine is Roy G. Biff.
Mine is mostly Roy G. Biff, but I didn't have yellow, so...
I think my rainbow looks very similar to the one that we have in the background here.
Yeah. I think mine looks very similar, too. Yeah. I really like it. Did you kids make a...
I don't think so.
I think so.
Well, why don't we ask the kids? Kids,
Hi, kids!
you let us know which of these rainbows is better. Mine,
Yeah.
of course, mine, or...
Or mine! And also, who had the most fun? Maybe I had more fun because I'm less concerned about how good it is. Ooh.
But you know what? What I would love best?
What?
If you kids share with us your pictures of a rainbow.
Yeah.
Because
I really
then
like that.
maybe next time we can do it even better. Just like yours.
Yeah, and you can make them any colors you want, or different order of colors, or even like a different shape. You can make a rainbow as a star or a moon.
Whoa! They made a pretty cool rainbow out of Play-Doh, didn't they? Well, kids, the sun has come out. I'm going to create a rainbow outside. I guess I'll see you next time. Bye!
Hi there, it's Mikey. If you like what you see on Dream Again, be sure to hit the subscribe button and like us below. Thanks!